Say hi. Outfit check. Good morning. Yeah, no, let me do my intro. Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kia. For those of y'all who don't know me, for those of you who do, what's up my G? You know I love you, you know you're my baby, you know you're my boo, you know you're my everything. If you're subscribed, thank you so much, but if you're not, kindly subscribe and then turn on your post notifications so that you would be the first to be notified anytime I drop a new video. So good morning guys. I'm headed towards Tema. Okay, I'm getting ready to head towards Tema. I have an ad. I hope I'm in the center of this thing. Oh, I'm using my back camera so I can't see. Yeah, so I have an ad to shoot for a friend of mine. He has his own clothing brand and I have to go and shoot an ad for him for TikTok. I am planning on wearing the skirts, but I don't know what to pair it with, as in I don't know the top to pair it with. So I'm still seeing. Kindly ignore the noise in the background. It's from my neighbor's pump. Yeah. So I'll wear the skirt. It's a very long skirt. You know I'm on my reinvention becoming hair journey, so I'm trying to be more modest in my dress, and I know what I'm wearing and what I'm saying does not match right now, but it's because I'm inside the room. So I'm planning on wearing this dress, and I have to pack my tripod. That's the one I'm using right now, and my ring light, which I'm also using right now. And then what else? I'm going to create content, so basically pack my creator tools and then get out of the house. So I'm going to Tema. I also need to pack my charger and everything. I wanted to see you guys see what I'm talking about. My hair is a mess. I don't know what I'm doing to my hair. Anyways, I just wanted to say good morning to you guys. Now that I have a ring light, and well, I already had the ring light, but right now that I have a tripod that I can actually use, you guys will be seeing my morning face a lot. Anyways, let me get ready. I'll see y'all when I'm done dressing up. I'll just show you guys what I'm wearing, and then I'll pack up and bounce out of the house. All right. But my outfit is giving church girl. It's because you, the way we grow. You fill my world with
You say you wanna make it happen. You know what I want. Don't try to fight the heavens. Good girls aren't the one. I'm a flower and it bloom like a shower you love. You can keep the keys to your dreams. Say the magic word, you know I'm all yours. This love is a free, don't boundaries. You took the words right out of my mind. Just need a good girl. These guys don't finish last, they just wanna take their time.
Baby girl, I was hoping we could take it slow. You the type of dime I'm really trying to get to know. If it's cool with you, maybe we could hit the show. I could take you places you ain't know you wanna go. Baby girl, slow it down before you catch a feeling. You don't know this where I've been, I have been a minute. I've been trying to take my time cause it's been a minute. Really all I'm looking for is Mrs. Independent. Yeah, I heard the good girls do it better. Love a little harder and it get a little wetter. Go and get good girl whenever we're together. Anytime she need it, I'ma bring a sweater for the weather. I'ma give you the world, now it's pushing it. I'ma give you my time, start booking it. Nowadays we turn away from all the ushy gushy shit. Everybody looking for love, but never look at it.
I want you to go someday. I'm gonna take you there. I'm gonna take you there.
Good girl, real high with the latitudes. And you're smart, turn around what the brains do. Independent and your credit score beautiful. You fine as hell, baby girl, I'm so proud of you.
Your dreams, say the magic word, you know I'm all yours. This love is a free, don't boundaries. You took the words right out of my mouth.
Girl, good girl.
These guys don't finish last. They just wanna take their time.
Good girl, real high with the latitudes. And you're smart, turn around what the brains do. Independent and your credit score beautiful. You fine as hell, baby girl, I'm so proud of you.
Guys are enjoying the vlog so far. I have really enjoyed filming this vlog and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching it as much as I've enjoyed filming it. I have about 11 minutes, which is quite long as compared to my previous videos, and I had about 45 minutes worth of video. I just edited it and got the 11 minutes that I have now. So I would like to end the vlog here because I'm trying as much as possible to stay as consistent as I can. I'm trying to not spend too much time on one vlog. So since I already have like 11 minutes now, I would end the video here and start a new vlog. I have to unbraid my hair, but I don't think that would be in this vlog, that would be in the next one. So I've already given you guys a spoiler alert of, like, you know, how my next vlog is starting. But I will unbraid my hair. I have to look for money to braid my hair because like I'm looking wretched, which is not nice. So I need to braid my hair again. But for now, I think when I'm done unbraiding my hair, my sister would braid cornrows for me. I'm not feeling too well. I have a tummy ache that won't go away. The whole weekend I've been trying so hard to film for you guys because I didn't want to miss like my next upload. I think my last video is 3 days old today, right? So I'm sure I would film, like I'll post this particular video maybe by the end of the day or at the end of the month. Hey, did I say at the end of the month? At the end of the day or early, like around 10 a.m. tomorrow, God willing. Yeah, but I hope you guys have enjoyed the video so far. I love you all so much. I'm ending the vlog here, so I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Kindly subscribe if you haven't, turn on your post notification, and also leave a like, leave a comment, share this video with your friends. It's calm, my videos are calm, don't do that to me. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I have asked that like 17,000 times. Don't mind me, it's just me being weird. I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.